Did you know that YouTube's built-in AI can help you improve your title, description and thumbnail? If you open YouTube Studio, go to Content and select your video, then open Ask Studio and paste in this prompt. So first it's the title of the video, then it's look at this video, create 3 clickbait thumbnails for this video, and also include 3 titles and description. Then aspect ratio 9:16 is shorts and 16:9 is wider screen. So then you can just press send. Then you have to wait for a while, maybe a couple of minutes. Suggestion is to keep this saved in a notebook. Then you can just go to every video, press Control and then left mouse click, and they will open up, and you can just start this process to every video. So here are the results. Concept 1, do this. Concept 2, reaction, close up. Concept 3, unlock. And if you have a long form video, you can do an A and B testing. So you can download all these 3, and the A/B testing should be somewhere here. Then you can press the A/B testing and make it choose all these 3, between these 3, the most engaging titles here, the description. So for this one I'm going to download, this one, and then choose a title of your liking. And now we have created a good thumbnail with good title and a good description